guys, we're CC21. You're playing Minecraft. I'm going to show you where the what's called it, the parkour is in the survival games or the Hunger Games, whatever you like to call it. Lifeboat SG. Right here. Why does it kick me off? Why is it so glitchy? Over here. Wait. That loads up. And over here, where you pick your packages for the VIP. You go over here. I'm gonna make it fast for you guys. Go over here. Go here. And you have to do the parkour. Well, I just need to double tap this and go like this. So I can